In this video, we will create a traffic area for advanced parking. The traffic area component is designed to create a queue of traffic in a confined space to avoid congestion. For example, it can be used to create car parks or queues at petrol stations. Let's get started. Create a custom road segment. Turn on the custom settings. Configure the current traffic nodes. Place where the entrance and exit of the parking will be. Turn on Parking Builder mode. Let's create the first parking line. How to create a parking line is explained in detail in the previous video. Choose the traffic node connection source type. This is designed so that the exit paths will connect to the traffic node. Select the source traffic node and the target traffic node. Let's create an entry path and set up waypoints. Also create an exit path and set up waypoints. Node skip last count is the number of last swap points in the offset paths that will not be created with the offset. We have to set up a backward motion path for the cars. Open the path settings. Select waypoints with backward motion. In our case, these are the first two waypoints. Let's quickly create other parking lines in the same way. Create enter and exit traffic nodes for the segment. Create internal paths of the segment. Create a new game object and add a traffic area component. Traffic area has two parameters, max queue amount and max skip enter order amount. Max queue amount is the number of cars allowed to stand in the queue. If the queue is full, then the entrance to the traffic area will be closed. Select the value based on how much space there is for cars. Max skip enter order amount is how often the cars exiting the area pass the cars entering it. In our case, the parameter is 1, which means that the exit queue car only skips one incoming car. Select Show Scene node. You can change the type of button and filter the type of traffic area nodes. The default node is a node that does nothing but belongs to the traffic area. Enter node is the node that closes when the queue is full. The queue node is the node where the cars will wait. Exit node is the node where cars exit the traffic area. Select New Node Type Queue, then select this node on the scene. In the same way, add an exit node. The remaining nodes are default nodes. You can change the colors of the nodes if you want. Let's move the traffic area object to the center of the parking for convenience. We forgot to create an enter node, so let's do this. In the custom settings, delete the old path. Add new traffic node and put it where necessary. Let's create paths to connect it. Now, we are ready to add enter node to the traffic area. The only thing left to do is to connect the pedestrian nodes of parking places with the pedestrian nodes of the city. Turn off the traffic light for the segment. That's all, let's see the result. The next video will describe the road segment placer for quick segment placement.